Inventory management is the focus of the Stellar 5.0 release. We have been working to make it easier to understand your available inventory, what is on order, and when and how much to order. In support of this effort, the following improvements have been made to the Inventory Manager. A new Inventory Products Tree View filtering option. New columns display the on-order quantity and status of each inventory item. New low inventory warnings in the Stellar status bar are viewable by all users that have Inventory Manager permissions and are not using fixed inventory. And two new commands have been added to the toolbar, Replenishment Report and Inventory Replenishment, which will be covered in the accompanying videos. Low inventory warnings will be displayed based on comparisons between the available inventory quantity and setting preferences the user sets for the worn at level and minimum stocking level settings for each inventory item in the raw and in-feed inventory locations. Low inventory warnings will only be displayed for raw and in-feed locations, since these are the only locations intended for tracking links that are to be ordered through inventory replenishment. Therefore, items such as these 24-foot TJI 110s with a drops location will not be shown as low inventory in the status bar. If the worn at level is changed for the 60-footers, the low inventory warning displays in the status bar because the available quantity is less than or equal to the worn at level. By changing the quantity of the 60-foot 1178 TJI 110s to 258 in the minimum stocking level, the status bar now shows this item as critically low because the available quantity is less than or equal to the minimum stocking level. Entering a minimum stocking length of 43, a maximum level of 129, and a worn at level of 96 for the 48-foot length, the low inventory warning for the product has now changed to out of stock because the available quantity is 0, and that is the worst case condition for one of the replenishment items for the product. The 1 3/4 by 1178 timber strand has a quantity of 89 in stock for the 48-foot length in the in-feed location. By changing the minimum stocking level to 96, the maximum stocking level to 480, and the worn at level to 240, this item will also now be shown in the status bar as it cycles through each low inventory item. The low inventory warnings are also visible in the status bar when viewing all modules within Stellar. Some changes have been made to the products tree, making it easier to manage your inventory. The products tree view filter is now a drop-down menu. Both the Show All Products and Only Products with Inventory filters are available, as well as the new Only Products with Low Inventory filter. The Only Products with Low Inventory filter is intended to help users quickly identify products with low inventory conditions and determine if they need to order more material. A product displays only once in the tree based on the item with the worst case status for that product in either the raw or in-feed inventory locations. The inventory status for each inventory item is displayed in the status column. Items where the available quantity is greater than the maximum stocking level quantity are considered overstock. Items where the available quantity is greater than the worn at level quantity and less than or equal to maximum stocking level quantity are shown with a normal status. The On Order column shows the number of pieces contained in purchase orders at a submitted, confirmed, or backordered status. The On Order quantity cannot be directly edited in the grid by the user. You must use the Inventory Replenishment module to track purchase orders to get On Order quantities to display. If you place your pointer over an On Order quantity, A hover over dialog will display showing each purchase order that contains that item, the vendor, quantity in the order, the estimated ship date, estimated delivery date, and the mode of transportation that have been entered for each order displayed. At the bottom of the Inventory Manager grid, the total number of pieces on order as well as the total footage on order for the product are shown. To learn more about creating and tracking purchase orders, see the accompanying inventory replenishment videos. For any questions or more information, please contact us at Weyerhaeuser Software Support.